Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another cleaning therapy vlog. So it is your girl Dipped in Chocolate, and for today it's just pure vibes and basically meditation. This is therapy for me, so anybody who considers cleaning and resetting their home as a type of therapy for them, or if it's therapeutic, you guys can just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. Throughout this vlog, I'll be inputting my voice and also pure music.
I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting on you for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need somewhere to spend it. I'll just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip, so you know it's not raining, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, and saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Dropped out the porch, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said break a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you meet more. You said you left your ex, that dude was always cash. You said before me you ain't never been this happy. You took an L with him and went in ever since.
If you guys had watched my previous vlog, you would know that I have a love-hate relationship with my bathroom. The tub is so easy to stain and get dirty. It's so ridiculous. Like, I would have to clean it like every 3 days so that it can be perfect. But I'm a student, plus I work, so I don't have the time to clean it like every 3 days. So I try to clean it at least every weekend, right? But you guys can see me cleaning up and getting it ready, because when your bathroom is clean, sis, you feel so good when you're about to take a shower.
I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
You're trying to make a move. Tonight I got the time, tell me what you wanna do. Call a squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own, I only got room for 2. Front chicks on the set, it's a Porsche, not a Vic. I confess, I'm a flex, till they show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now, close, like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast, I'm open to drive, so I don't want you to wonder where I go.
When it comes down to the toilet, most persons always say, oh, I have to wear gloves, this and that. Yeah, it is good to have on gloves whenever you're cleaning the toilet. But when it's your toilet, I don't have to have on gloves. It's my toilet. I'm the only person that use it. I know that the seats are wiped off all the time, it's clean on a regular basis. It's just my toilet, right? So I do it without gloves. I put I have this thing, I don't remember what it's called. I sprinkle it on it. It's like a bleach powder. I sprinkle on it and then I get to clean it with the soap and everything else. So this is my bed after I did the washing. I just threw everything on it. So we're going to see the transformation and all of that. Like, let me tell you, you see, when it's time to fold up clothes, be realistic, guys. Be realistic. It's like the hardest part. Like, I could wash the clothes, I could wash it, I could hang it up on the line, but when it's time to fold it and put it away, oh my god, get out of here.
I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The type of shit that you've been waiting on you for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need some way to spend it. I just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip so you know it's not winning, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, they saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Chopped out the porch, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack, hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission, riding down the coast, got one up for sure. You said make a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you meet more. You said you.
Guys, I want you to comment down below and tell me, like, how do you do your cleaning? Like, do you, because I did it weird. I washed, hung out, cleaned my Crocs, cleaned the bathroom, then I did my my bedroom, and then I went to sweeping, then mopping, you know. So most persons would do that, like opposite, you know. So tell me how you guys do your cleaning in your house. So I'm mopping now. Like, one thing, I love to mop the veranda. I don't know, the tile out there, I don't know if it's the sun glaring on it, but the tile out there just look prettier than the tile inside, and it's the same tile inside, but it just look prettier. I don't know if it's the sun, but tell me what you think about it. See, it's really pretty.
She load from in a Netherlands, where the grabbers think like alligator pan. Whiskey crack with the we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop, but the better jam. Long time we no kill a man, and we Herc Lemons like the little man. Set a bomb, make a jam, black rain fall, so we must catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber schemers like Shabba Motherfuck. Shot fire, everyone a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Spin like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a dap. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. We run ya so everybody back. We badder than everything we bad. Madder than everything we mad. Black rain fall when you see we not. Steel pan a beat like Trinidad. When we step in the street like criminal. Street up you weekly the minimal. Funeral, in a yam. Nobody have you, don't give a damn. When they grab a scheme up like Shabba Motherfuck. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Spin like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a nap. Punchy load from in a Netherlands. With the grabbers stink like alligator pan. The scheme hot with them, me and the better man. Why should I trap body, baby, better jam? A long time we no kill a man, so we circle them inside the letter man. Set a bomb, make a jam, a create.
Look and clean bathroom. Yeah guys, so when I went around the kitchen to start my cleaning around there, I saw that somebody saw something to do and did it. Wow, big up to them. Right there, so you know, or the kitchen clean, and then so I went to the dining table. See, that dining table was not wiped. It wanted, you know, a little scrum dumps. What's that? But yeah, like you see, the dining table is glass, right? So whenever we drink or eat anything, yeah, it's going to show a residue, so we have to keep on cleaning it. So but I don't mind. The dining table is really cute, so I really like to clean it. It don't really take a lot to clean. You just put some water and some, you know, disinfectants, whatever, on the cloth and just wipe it down. It's not really hard. So now I'm going to show you my shower routine. So this is the Huntington's home candle. It's called the smoke caramel. Like guys, it is so nice. And this is the May soap. Guys, I love it so much. I think this is shoot, I don't remember, the green apple, whatever. It's so nice. It smells so good. Like, you guys should try out May bathing soap. They're really good. They're cost effective also, plus they smell good. Come on guys, come on, and it doesn't leave you dry. Also, this is the African black soap body wash that I got as a present. Let me tell you, look at the ladder, look at the ladder, look at the ladder, look at the ladder. Guys, don't play with it. This leaves my body smelling so fresh. It has a minty scent. I don't remember the plant that they use. I think it's mint. Yeah, mint they use in it. And girl, it is so good. You guys can go ahead and check them out on Instagram. I think I showed you guys like the bottle that had the number on the Instagram. So you guys, it's really, really nice. See, it's soapy too. You understand? I just love it. I use it all over my body. Like, child, I have to put you girls on. Like, you know, it's all natural products. So for downstairs, I use Vagisil unscented, cause I won't use any scented down there with the girl. So you see, it's not really too, it's soapy, you know. It is soapy, you know. It's clear, it is soapy, but yeah, I love that for her, period. So I went ahead and brushed my teeth. I use a regular Colgate toothpaste, you know. You guys realize my toothbrush is matching with my towel? So guys, I went ahead and ate some breakfast while I watched House. And then after, I took a little nap because later on I'm going to work. Yes, I have to be working. Yep. So yeah man, sleeping time done. Get ready with me to go to work. So I'm using the Dove coconut scented. It's really nice. Like, that's my preference. And I'm just gonna be in my work gear for today, my t-shirt and all that. I work at Sea Crave at 7 Grosvenor Terrace in Constant Spring. You guys can come check us out. Yes, we are a seafood restaurant. Also, I love this cocoa butter formula by Palmer's. It's basically a body oil moisturizer, and I literally use it all over my body. I use it on my face, on my hands, and on my foot, like literally. And when I have it on, I don't have to worry because all over, literally. And I love this Flaunt Seduction perfume that I got for my birthday. Guys, it's literally my signature scent. No, I love it. It gives, not necessarily flowery, but it gives feminine. I can't describe the scent. Oh my god, it smells like a flower, but it doesn't give flowery. It doesn't give powdery, but it, you know, I have to use Carmex on my lips because my lips easy to dry up. I don't know why my lip them easy to dry up, so but me use Carmex. Also, Carmex, it's basically medicated lip balm, so you guys should try it out. I'm not planning on doing my hair anytime soon. It's just natural vibe for a good couple weeks because I need to make my natural hair breathe. Because you know, if on a lace wig, I locks, if on a locks, I braids, you know, my hair always do. So for this couple of weeks coming up, I'm just gonna
be sporting my natural hair. You know, it's very beautiful, it has a lot of body, so me not for it, and I want to for the dolly fix, so I'm just going as natural as possible for these couple weeks, because child, when we're ready to put on a wig and hair, you're not gonna. So what's in my bag to go to work? So first I have my iPad charger, I have my iPhone charger, and I brought an extension to work because they wanted an extension. I don't know why the people never bring them own extension. I also have my iPad because where we're going, it's not necessarily the restaurant. I'm going to a food booth to sell Seacrepes food. Yeah, so I have to bring the extension so that I can, you know, if my iPad wants to be charged, I don't have to be hustling. I can just use the extension and get it charged while the menu is still up. So yeah, this is my little bag that I bought from Temu. I love it so much. So this is me skin hitting the melanin purr. So yes guys, it has been a wonderful therapeutic vlog. So now I'm heading to work, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell to be notified when the girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. Bye.